Hey guys, we're Mike, John, and Max with 11-8 Racing.
And this is Around the Hood with KSL Cars.
So this is our 2023 brand new Bronco we just got. This one's fresh off the showroom floor. It's only got a couple hundred miles. Absolutely loving it so far. It's got the 3.5-inch lift, 37-inch tires, 18-inch methods, or 17-inch methods on this one. Lots of fun with this. Full paint match, so you'll see the bumper, the fenders, everything's paint matched up front here. But absolutely loving this one so far.
This is our 23 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon that we just finished up with Moab Outfitters out of Springville. Fully custom build. We did a 60/80 Dynatrack axle conversion. Got the big 42s. You never lose with 42s. Got the Fox 3.0s. Max built on this one. Up next, we have our 22 McLaren 720S Spider.
This one's pretty fun. You'll see some of the kind of highlighted green bits on the interior, the brake calipers. Every one of the exotic car companies has customization shops in-house. McLaren is called MSO. It stands for McLaren Special Operations. So lots of cool custom stuff on this car. The 720 is just insane to drive. True racing kind of DNA and heritage in most McLarens. The 720 is the entry into what they call the Super Sport series, and then there's the 765 after that, and then the hypercars, but just ridiculously fast. This one is our 21 Ram TRX. This truck's been a ton of fun. We've had this one for quite a while. Absolutely love this from our friends at iDrive as well. This one's got the satin black 3M wrap on it, makes it look really cool. The bronze custom offset wheels. It's actually got the Hellcat motor. It's a 710 horsepower motor in this truck. So super great. It's been fun for a daily. You can see we use it to tow one of our moto trailers, but absolutely love this truck.
This is our 2023 Lamborghini Huracán STO. I think it's actually the first 23 in the state. This was a super fun one that we ordered about 2 years ago. The STO essentially is a street legal race car. You get the clamshell hood on this one, naturally aspirated V10. So one of our favorite collections are our bikes. We've got cruiser street bikes with our Harley, we've got super fast sport bikes, we've got the trail bikes, we've got the motocross bikes, some collector's bikes. So obviously huge two-wheel fans.
We've got these two together because they really represent where we came from. We got our start in moto. We're pretty well known in the exotic car scene, but this is really kind of where our passion lives. And where it came from is our numbers. So growing up, John was 11 racing and I was number 8. And that's where the 11-8 racing brand came from.
So this is our custom moto van from Custom Upfits out of West Sacramento. They're the best in the business. Pretty cool setup. We've got room for 2 or 3 bikes. You've got our awnings, custom stereo, all the tools you need here, air compressor, water pump. You've seen our bikes, you've seen our trucks, you've seen our cars. So that's it for this edition of Around the Hood with KSL Cars. Thanks for watching.